and thanks for joining me today. I know this video is a little late, but I wanted to give you a 30-day update on my experience with the Jeunesse Luminesce skincare line. Like I said in my 14-day review, which you can find over here, I'm using the Youth Restoring Cleanser, the Cellular Rejuvenation Serum, and the Daily Moisturizing Complex for my face and neck. I'm also using the Essential Body Renewal as my go-to body lotion. Since I didn't really mention it in my 14-day video, I'm going to start with the Essential Body Renewal. Living in upstate New York and having such long, dry, cold winters, it really takes a toll on my skin. I get really dry and ashy, especially on my legs, and it makes them super itchy. This lotion has been an absolute miracle for me. Not only is it hydrating my skin to the point where it's no longer all dry and ashy, I haven't had any issues with itching. As for the face products, the appearance of fine lines, the redness, and the size and visibility of my pores are still continuing to decrease. I also wanted to point out that while everybody's results are going to be different because everybody's skin is different and everybody has different needs, the results I'm seeing are, even though I haven't been exactly 100% committed to my skincare routine and I have missed several times of washing and applying the products. If you'd like more information on the products that I'm using, or are interested in finding out more information about joining my team, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Don't forget to click the bell so you're notified as soon as I upload any new videos. And remember, have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you next time.